Hey guys, so this is how you can add a multi-step form in Wix. So first things first is to select the website that you want to add a multi-step form first. And then once you're in the Wix website editor of your chosen website, just head over to this left side panel right here and then click on add element. Now from here, just click on contacts and forms. And then from here, just click on create a new form. And then let's just add this to our page and then wait for this to be added. Now it's going to take you to this dashboard where you can actually make your very own form. So from here, you can just add form fields right here. So for this one, I'm just going to add the first name and the last name. And then the next thing that we're going to do is to add a page to this. So click on this pages icon right here and then just click on add page. And as you can see, I already have now a separate section. So this is page 1, which serves as our section 1, and the page 2, which serves as the section 2. Now let's head over back to the ad, and then for this one, I am just going to add email and then maybe phone, and then I'm just going to hit on save. After that, I'm going to go back and see if it has been added. And so you can see this is my form. I'm just going to place it here to my empty section. And then let's preview that one if it works as a multi-section. Now I'm just going to add my first name randomly and then random last name, then click on next. And as you can see here, I have my second section working. And that is how you add a multi-section form in Wix.